So you got yourself a new external hard drive, you plug it into your MacBook, and you open up Final Cut Pro, and where's your videos? Nothing's there, you can't see it. Let me show you a quick and easy fix. Don't stress, it's very, very easy. So let me show you in Final Cut Pro. I got my library open, Smart Collection. This is just demonstration purposes. Everybody might do this a little bit different, but if you hit Import Media and you click on Devices, my YouTube only external drive here, and there's nothing down here. Not anything going on. I can't see anything that's in the folder. So what do? We go over to System Settings. We go down to Privacy and Security on System Settings. And then you want to go down to Full Disk Access on here. Click that. And you want to hit the little plus button right here. Use our password, fingerprint, whatever your computer uses. So then you want to go over to Locations over here to make sure you're on your MacBook Pro, the hard drive. Go over to Applications, and you want to scroll down to Final Cut Pro. You want to open that up, and it's going to say quit and reopen because I have it open. So we'll just hit quit and reopen. It's going to close out Final Cut Pro and reopen it. I guess I could have done that before. Let's close this out because now it's checked. Close that out. Wait on Final Cut Pro to open. All right, let's open her back up. I am using a 19 MacBook Pro with the Intel chip. She's a little bit slow. I'm hoping she's able to keep up with this video, but so far so good. Anyways, import media now. We got it open. Back to where we were. Import media. Go down to devices, and now look, here you go. You can see it. YouTube only, external drive. I can see all of my footage now. Hope that was helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you really, really like it, hit subscribe. I've got a lot more videos like this coming, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.